How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Moza R3 to Forza Horizon 6. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is how to actually connect the racing controller onto your devices. It's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to go ahead and connect the pedals onto the racing wheel. And then right after, you want to plug the power cord onto an outlet. And right after, it's extremely simple. Just plug the USB end onto the console computer or whatever device that the Moza is supported onto. So from there, it will automatically calibrate your wheel after simply turning it on. And now it's going to be extremely simple. Just head over to the Forza menu right here, click on setting, and then inside you want to select the HUD and gameplay, click on the telemetry. And then also inside the device control mapping, we could set our own input mapping the way we want to for something like our steering, our e-brake, and many more. So you could just go ahead and manually set it up if you want to, but generally that's how you connect this device onto Forza Horizon 6. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.